Kumbaga dati, pagsasabihan mo, no? Yung bang, it's too loud. Ba't ganun, ano? Nung masyadong maingay, nagre-reklamo ka. Nung masyado naman tahimik, namimiss mo, hinahanap mo. No?
Aw, kaya naman as much fun as I had in Paris, I couldn't wait to go home. At yun na nga, 4 years went by like a breeze, and before I knew it, graduate na ako.
Cristina Antonieta Concepcion.
The graduation day, it was so sweet.
Paluha-luha kami lahat.
She said, Mama, I didn't get tickets. Can we just please have a picnic near the Eiffel Tower? And I was so touched because then the kids, the little ones, could see the pigeons and ganyan, and we bought cheese. Cheese girl.
From grade 5 up to high school, up to college, nag-a-attend din ako ng parents-teachers conference sa Pobeda, hanggang sa IS, every year yan. Mahalaga talaga na alam ko yung performance ng anak ko sa eskwelahan. So, nung nakita kong mag-graduate na siya, the moment na nagsabi ko, naalala ko yung parang bang nag-flashback lahat ng kausap ko yung teacher niya sa Pobeda, yung kausap ko yung mga teacher niya sa IS.
In 2002, she went with me to France. And for a 1-month stay in France, I saw Casey's development very fast. She learned the language, hasta yung mga correct accent, proper pronunciation.
So parang, kumbaga sa maluha-luha ka dahil binantayan mo for so many years, every year, kausap mo yun. And then finally, yun, tapos na.
I said, so baby, what do you want as your graduation gift? And she goes, oh my God, Mom, really? Are you ganyan-ganyan? Like, I'm looking at her, it was such a sweet thing to see and hear. She loved this watch so much, and I saw how much she loved it and how excited she was and how ganyan. Thanks for the gift, Mom. Pero the greatest gift of all, syempre, ay yung makakauwi na ulit ako sa Pinas to be with my family again. Bago umuwi ng Pilipinas, nag-text sa dad niya, Dad, can I stay? Yung parang pag-uwi niya, pwede ba daw akuin na niya, kanya na yung guest house. In other words, I am so sorry, friends, family, if you're watching this in other countries, you have no more room in the house. There's no room for the guests. The guest house is hers for the next 2 years until her condo is completed.
We sat down. I told her, ano ba ang plano mo dito? Diba? Ano bang gusto mo mangyari? Itong ilang mga concerns. Professionally, ano bang gusto mong gawin sa personally, nag-uusap kami ganyan. And then, binibigyan ko siya ng advice.
Siyempre, masaya. Buong pamilya, buo. Lalo na sila, si Frankie, si Mier.
Excited! I'm plain excited in Kimpura. Kasi we had dinner in Kimpura. And then when my dad said, na she's going to come, she said, I'm so proud of my ate that she's coming here.
Yeah. What did Ate Tina give you for your birthday?
Cake.
What flavor?
Camera. No, you didn't even taste it yet. It's just there in the dining. It's dry. That means it's dry. If it's dry, that means you cannot eat it. If it's not dry, I can eat it.
What do you want to tell Ate Tina now that she's here? What do you want to tell
I want to tell. Ano ba?
Are you happy that Ate Tina's home?
Yeah.
Why are you happy?
I was excited.
Ako'y natutuwa naman dahil malaki ang naging pag-mature niya. Doon sa 4 years niyang nagsarili siya at mag-isa siya doon. She has matured a lot. And, I'm very proud of how the experience has made her who she is.
So baby, I'm so proud of you. You came through, 4 years, that's not an easy, that could not have been such an easy thing to do. It could not have been just a breeze, living alone in a place na wala kang kamag-anak, wala kang kakilala. Because in the States, di ba, Miss Kipano, your friends, relatives, and I'm so proud of you. You did not give me a cardiac arrest, you didn't give me anything to have a heart attack over. All in all, she's a great kid, a good girl. She's been a good person, and she's turned into a decent, kind-hearted, generous, and smart woman. Smarter than me in a lot of ways. And my number one lesson, not lesson, but I won't tell her again because I told her just a couple of nights ago. I said, Natian, you know what, in the end, now I can tell her because she's finished, no? I said, you know, in the end, you know, us moms, we just want our children to be happy. I just want her to be happy and to be crazy about it.
Wow naman, kahit namimiss ko ang Paris, it's really great to be back home.
No matter what, she'll always be my baby. It's just that now, I was 21 and I had like 1 million more problems than she has at this stage, you know. So I am glad that she did not create any of the problems that I had to solve.
Welcome back. I'm very proud of you. Your mama and we will always be here for you. We will be here to cheer you on, and I will be here to give you advice if you need it, not only legal. I love you very much, and welcome home.
Excited ako dahil alam kong happy sila. At the same time, hindi ko talaga na-expect na masyado talaga silang nag-aabang na sa pag-uwi ko. So, comforting kasi nga nalulungkot ako na iniwan ko yung mga kaibigan ko doon. Pero naman, ang binalikan ko is yung pamilya ko talaga. Na forever naman nandyan sa buhay ko.
I love you so, so much, Ate Tina. I love her usually bigger and taller than a dinosaur. I love you, Ate Tina.
Hug your mommy. You're forgetting. You forget. I'm proud of her.
If you had a song to sing to Ate Tina, what song would that be?
Her favorite song. Mama rivers up and down.
Your favorite song? What's your favorite?
Her favorite song.
Oh yeah, what's her favorite?
Ariel. No, not Ariel. My favorite. I need you. I need you. I need you like the waters, like breath, like breath. I need you like a mercy from heaven.